Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another video. I just get the stator out from the big carbon, just being rewind. If you can see, I got my leads right here. Right there. So later I'm gonna put this motor together. And like I say, see how it runs. Got my embers right there. My rotor right there. So later when I finish put this together, I will put power so you guys can see how it runs. Stay right there. 36 slots. Span 1 to 8, 1 to 10, 1 to 12. 6 groups. Each group is 3 coils in one. So it's right there. So let me start working on this, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.